So we're here today in Kuala Lumpur with Barry Lerner, the CIO for the South Pacific region, and Barry's going to talk to us about private cloud. So thanks for coming today, Barry. We're wondering, do you see a lot of the telcos around the region moving into the private cloud area? And if so, what kinds of challenges do you think they're really facing?
Yeah, today we see a lot of the telcos slowly going into the private cloud area. What they're doing first is to move the non-core applications such as payroll, HR into the cloud environment first, and then slowly some of the office support, and then later on their critical applications like ERP and billing will be happening.
So in transitioning into this cloud, you know, what kinds of approaches are these telcos using? Do you really think there's a method that people are starting to use to transition?
Yeah, first they're trying to do is the method is basically looking at data, making sure that the data has integrity, going through the way we've always checked for data integrity, then data duplication and things like that. And then we're looking at the applications themselves, understanding which applications can be moved in there, which applications can be remote hosted, which applications are on the track that can't be done right now, but eventually will be into the cloud. So the methodology has been a proven methodology we've used for years.
That's good news. So, you know, I think also we're hearing a lot about this term shared services cloud, you know, and I'm wondering whether or not, do you actually believe that the phone companies will build one cloud for their private usage and one for the public, or do you think it'll be a shared services environment?
I think what they're doing is that the telcos are starting at, you know, putting in the private cloud. They're starting to get their governances set up. They're starting to get their processes set up, the organizations and the departments to support this. And so we're starting at an internal public-private cloud. Mm-hmm. And what we're also starting to do is to put some of the KPIs and SLAs on the different departments. And then eventually we will be taking that same stuff and now showing it to the public. So we'll offer that as a cloud service.
So an evolution.
Yes.
From private to private and public over a period of time.
Yeah, transformation.
Great. Well, that's really interesting. So thank you for that information today, Barry, and thanks for coming to meet us.